दोस्तों वीडियो शुरू होने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को चेतावनी देना चाहता हूं कि आजकल मार्केट के अंदर काफ़ी सारे फ्रॉड हो रहे हैं। इसलिए किसी भी प्लान में निवेश करने से पहले उस प्लान को पूरी तरह जांच लें, क्योंकि कहीं पर भी आपका एक पैसे का भी लॉस होता है तो उसमें हमारी या MLM पावर टीम की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं रहेगी। हमारा काम है आप लोगों तक नई नई इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करना, ना कि आपको प्रोत्साहित करना किसी प्लान के अंदर ज्वाइन होने के।
Hello friends, welcome to all of you in this video of today. In this video, I am going to inform you about such a marketing plan or a business plan where you can get a very good profit by investing. The company is fully working on cryptocurrency and today in the market it is working on Tron cryptocurrency. The company is a fully smart contract based verified. The company's name is Square Tron. Its official website is www.tronsquare.io. You can also visit its official website where you can take complete information of the company. If I talk about the company's about, the company is 100% transparent and 100% descriptive opportunity which is working on the digital platform today. Friends, it gives you an opportunity where you can create a dedicated team and can do a good job with committed professionals and you can have a very good earning from here. If I talk about the mission and vision of the company, then Square Tron provides a platform to the people all over the world where they can earn lifetime earnings, and by investing they can extract good profit and can become financially stable. The company is fully working on the binary metric system. If I tell you about the advantages of Square Tron, then this plan works perfectly based on smart contracts. It does not have any type of admin, that is, you do not have the risk of any type of company shutdown. This is a 100% verified smart contract and this Tron is working on the market based on the blockchain system. Friends, this company does the algorithm work, that is, it is working on the blockchain cryptocurrency in the market. Friends, Square Tron platform works on the principle 2x8 by radical matrix. Here, your entry is placed top to bottom and left to right, and it works on multiple 2 matrix. Friends, there is a plan of 7 levels. With the structure of 7th level, you can have a good earning from here. After this, if I talk about the companies joining, then you can activate your ID by investing 900 Trons here, and as soon as you activate the ID, then your work starts here. After that, you sponsor 2 people in your direct, and as soon as you sponsor 2 people, then both people start here by 900 Trons. That is, the 100% of both people comes in your direct, that is, your turnover is 1800 Trons, out of which you upgrade your ID from 1200 Trons and then save 600. Then as soon as you come to the second level, there are 4 more users below you who update their ID from 1200 Trons and your turnover is 4800 Trons, out of which you had to upgrade to third level using 2800 Trons, and 2000 Trons are your savings or income, and from here global ID can also come under you or by anyone. That is, the person through whom the ID is activated, he gets 20% of his upgrade, and the person who gets that ID at the bottom gets 80% benefit from it. Here, as soon as you go to the upgrade third level, then your ID will automatically display the smart matrix button. As soon as you click on that button, your ID enters in Autopool. To enter the ID inside Autopool, your ID must have a minimum wallet of 500 Trons. As soon as you click on it, the automatic 500 Trons is deducted from your ID. And if you enter in Autopool, then the team that comes here comes globally. That works under you. If any users come to the Autopool, then it appears in your down. Here, first come first serve rule is priority. And here, total 3 users work for you. And your total turnover from all 3 users is 15,000 Trons. Out of this, you have to upgrade with 10,000 Trons and your income is 5,000 Trons. After this, upgrade to 10,000 Trons in the second level and total 9 users comes under you globally and your turnover is 90,000 Trons. You do not have to upgrade any of this, that is, you get 90,000 as total income. Now, let's talk about the benefit of level 3. In level 3, you have 8 users, and after 8 users, your total turnover is 22,400 trones, out of which you have to upgrade by 9,000 trones. Then here you get income of 13,400 trones. After that, the sponsor income is 20%, that is 4,480 trones, and the placement is 80%, that is 17,920 trones. After that, as soon as you upgrade to the 4th level, then automatically silver matrix option will appear from your ID again. As soon as you click on the silver matrix button, your ID automatic goes into the auto pool, and here 50,000 trones are deducted from your ID, and your ID is globally inserted in the auto pool. 3 users comes after you, and you get a benefit from those 3 users, 1,50,000 trones. Later you have to upgrade with 1,000,000 trones, and 50,000 trones is your income. After that, the second level activates. In the second level, you are upgrading from 1 lakh trones, so here you get 9 lakh trones from the same 2 users. That is, you do not have to upgrade in this, total remains your profit. If we talk about total profit, then you get the profit of 9,50,000 trones from here. Now, let's talk about the income of level 4. In level 4, you have a team of 16 users. All you get is 9,000 trones from each, that is your total turnover is 1,44,000 trones, out of which you have to upgrade with 25,000 trones, and 1,19,000 trones you get income from here. Here, the sponsor income is 20% and the placement income is 80%. After this, as soon as you upgrade to the 5th level, then you see the button of gold matrix. When you click on the button of gold matrix, then automatically you enter the gold matrix auto pool. For this, 1 lakh minimum trones should be in your wallet. 1 lakh trones are deducted from your wallet, and you enter the global auto pool, and 3 users works under you from all over the world level, and you get 3 lakh trones from 3 users, out of which you can upgrade from 2 lakh trones, and you get an income of 1 lakh trones. After this, in the second level, 9 users come below you, and from 9 users you get 18 lakh trones. Out of 18 lakh trones, you do not have to upgrade, that is 18 lakh trones is your income. If we talk about total income in this, then 19 lakh is the total income that you make. Now, let's talk about the 5th level income. Friends, 32 people works under you. In the 5th level, you get 25,000 trones from each of them. Your total turnover is 8 lakh trones, out of which you have to upgrade from 50,000 trones, and here you get income of 7,50,000 trones. Sponsors give 20% benefit, and you get 80% of the placement from here. After that, as soon as you upgrade to the 6th level, then you will get the Royal Matrix button on your ID. As soon as you click on the Royal Matrix, from here again enters the auto pool, and your ID is deducted from 5 lakh trones. That is, you get total turnover of 1.28 crores from here. Here you do not have to do any kind of upgrade. Then friends, here your total income becomes 1 crore 28 lakhs. Here your sponsor income becomes 20%, and the placement income gives you 80% benefit. Here the complete chart of the company is shown. You can understand the whole thing from this chart table as well. Friends, by making a small investment here, you can make a very good profit. If you want to work with the Squaretrone company and make a good profit, then you can contact the number given in the description below. You can also get complete information by contacting them, and joining link is also included in the description. By joining that link, you can get a good profit from here and can join too. Thank you.